In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name servers in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to avoid common mistakes so your domain points to the right hosting or website builder. Before we start, have your new name server values ready from your hosting provider. They usually look like ns1 yourhost.com and ns2 yourhost.com, and you typically need at least two. Begin by opening your browser and searching for GoDaddy. Click the official website to open it. Sign into your account with your usual login details. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your username to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a dashboard where all your domains and services are listed. Find the domain you want to update. If you manage several domains, double-check you're selecting the correct one, especially if the names are similar. Next, click DNS for that domain. This opens the DNS management page, which is where you control things like A-records, SNAMEs, and for today's task, name servers. On the DNS management page, look for the Nameservers section. Click Nameservers to open the options. Then select Change Name Servers. You'll see a few choices here. Choose I'll use my own name servers. This tells GoDaddy that you want to point your domain to an external DNS provider rather than using the default GoDaddy name servers. Now enter your first name server in the first field and your second name server in the next field. Be precise here. Name servers must match exactly, without extra spaces. If your provider gave you additional name servers, you can add them as extra entries using the provided option. It's okay if you only have two. That's the most common setup. When everything looks correct, click Save. If you're prompted to confirm the change, go ahead and confirm. That's it for the actual update. From here, the change needs time to propagate across the internet. This can be quick, but it may take up to 24 to 48 hours in some cases. During this period, your site or email may briefly switch between old and new settings, which is normal. If something isn't working after a full day, double-check the exact spelling of your name servers with your provider. To recap, you searched for GoDaddy, signed in, went to My Products, chose your domain, opened DNS, selected name servers, switched to using your own name servers, entered the values from your host, and saved the change. Follow these steps carefully, and your domain will be pointing to the right place in no time.